Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to perform steep turns. First, ensure the area is clear by performing two 90-degree clearing turns or one 180-degree turn. Establish a safe altitude, at least 1,500 feet above ground, and set your airspeed below maneuvering speed. Pick a clear visual reference point on the horizon to mark your entry heading. This preparation is crucial for a safe and successful maneuver. Now let's initiate the turn. Smoothly roll into your desired bank angle, typically 45 degrees for private pilots or 50 degrees for commercial pilots. As you pass through about 30 degrees of bank, begin adding power, usually an increase of 100 to 200 RPM, to maintain your entry airspeed. Simultaneously, apply back pressure on the yoke to prevent altitude loss, as the increased bank reduces vertical lift. Maintaining the turn requires constant attention. Keep your eyes scanning both outside the cockpit for your visual reference and inside at your instruments. Use small, precise aileron and rudder inputs to hold your bank angle steady, correcting for any overbanking tendency. Adjust pitch with elevator pressure to maintain your altitude within 100 feet, and make slight power changes to keep your airspeed within 10 knots of your entry speed. To recover, begin a smooth rollout approximately 15 to 20 degrees before reaching your entry heading. As you roll wings level, gradually reduce the added power and relax back pressure on the yoke to prevent climbing. Use coordinated rudder and aileron to maintain a straight path. Remember to avoid common errors such as significant altitude changes, uncoordinated control inputs, or becoming fixated on your instruments instead of scanning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.